How to sort a dictionary by key in Python, that's what you are going to learn in this video. Welcome my friends to Joey's Tech. I am going to explain to you to sort a dictionary using keys step by step by building a program, and I recommend you to create this program with me because if you do this, then you will understand it in a much better way. Let's do this now. So I'm already in my PyCharm IDE. This is my project actually. Now to sort a dictionary by key, we should have a dictionary first. So let's create one. We'll begin with writing the main function first. So I'll just type main and PyCharm is going to do the rest of the work for me. Now let's create the dictionary. I'm going to call that dictionary as cities. And after the equals to sign within curly braces, I'll write 3, which is the key, colon. Let me write some values. So let it be Kolkata. And the second element would be 4, colon. The value, let it be Bangalore, and the third element, let it be 1. The key will be 1 of that element, colon. Let me write the value as New Delhi, and let the final element's key be 2, colon, and within double quotes, I'm going to put the value as Mumbai. Alright, this is my dictionary created. Now the key function that is used to sort a dictionary is the built-in sorted method. This sorted method takes an iterable as an argument. You can pass a key function and a reverse boolean value as optional arguments to this sorted method. So like a list, you can simply pass this dictionary cities to this sorted function, and let's see what happens. So we are going to write print, and within brackets we'll write sorted, and within its brackets we are going to pass this dictionary cities. Now let's run the program and check the output. Okay, you can see the sorted function has returned a sorted list of keys of the dictionary. This is actually the default behavior of passing a dictionary directly as a parameter to the sorted method. Obviously, this is what we don't want. We want the entire dictionary to be visible and the entire dictionary to be sorted by key. To sort this dictionary by key, we need to use the items function. When you call items method on the dictionary, it is going to return an iterable of tuples. Let's check that. So we'll write print cities dot items. Let's run the program and check the output. You can see when you called items method on this dictionary cities, it returned an iterable of tuples. You can see each tuple is a key value pair like any item of the dictionary. This is basically a dictionary view, the same dictionary but in read-only format. Now we'll pass this dictionary view to the inbuilt sorted function, which is going to do the job for us. So we'll write print again, and within its brackets we'll write sorted, and within its brackets we'll pass cities dot items. Okay, let's run the program again and check the output. Alright, there you go. Our dictionary cities is sorted by key. But the point to note here is that the sorted function has returned a sorted list of tuples. What does this mean? It means that the sorting of a dictionary doesn't happen in place, which means the dictionary itself is not sorted. However, the use of the sorted function returns a list of tuples that we need to somehow take into a new dictionary. So we create a new empty dictionary. Let's call it as dict. And after the equals to sign, to create an empty dictionary, you have to put empty curly braces. Alright, now we start a for loop, for which we'll write for key, comma, value in sorted, and within its brackets, we are going to pass cities dot items. Okay. So what we have done here, we are looping on every item of the list of tuples returned by the sorted function, which is accepting dictionary view as an argument. Now within the body of the for loop, we assign this key value pair item to this new dictionary as dict. So we'll write as dict, within square brackets we'll write key, after equals to sign we'll write value. That's it. This will do the job for us. Now the final thing that we are going to do is to print this dictionary as dict. Okay. This line of code is going to print the sorted version of this dictionary cities, and the sorting will happen by key. Alright, so this line of code is going to print the sorted version of this dictionary cities, which actually is a new dictionary completely sorted by key. So let's run the program now and check the output. Okay, there you go. It's done. You can see that the cities dictionary has been sorted by a key. Now, if you don't want to use the for loop to assign the sorted key value item to a new dictionary, then you can use the dictionary class constructor. Let's look into this method as well. So we'll have to create a new empty dictionary for that. So I'm going to create a new dictionary. I'm going to call it sdict_const. Const stands for constructor, and after the equals to sign, I'm going to put empty curly braces. This is how we create a new empty dictionary. Now we'll write sdict_const. After the equals to sign, we'll write dict. Okay, and within brackets, we'll write sorted, and within its brackets, we'll write cities dot items. Okay, so we used dictionary class constructor here and passed this code which returns the list of tuples, the sorted list of tuples. The dict constructor will return a dictionary which will be assigned to this empty dictionary sdict_const that we created over here. After this line of code gets executed, this dictionary is going to contain the version of this dictionary cities sorted by key. Now we are going to write the final line of code, which will be to print the dictionary sdict_const. Okay, now let's run the program and check the output. But before that, I'm going to comment this line to avoid any kind of confusion, because sdict already contains the sorted version of this dictionary. Hence, it would be better if only one sorted dictionary, which is sdict_const, was visible on the screen. Great. You can see the dictionary sdict_const now here in the output, which appears pretty much sorted by key, and this dictionary we created using the dictionary class constructor. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to sort a dictionary in Python by key from Joystick. Do let me know in the comment section if you got any doubts related to this program. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and take very good care of yourself.